Hey, week 2. Woo, man, can't believe we're doing this. Ready to do the Cancun Vacation Giveaway. Had a little music playing in the background. Oh, there it goes. Let's see. Dog days are over. I don't know what that is, but Mr. Spotify says it's beach music, so I believe him. So let's get into this and see who. Yeah. I don't know if this thing's gonna last a whole year. All right, let's see. There we go. All right, let's see. What is this? 228 131. Like I'm announcing to a whole bunch of people out there, but I'm only talking to you. 228 131. Eva, my good friend Eva. I love you, sweetheart. Congratulations. You are the winner of a trip to Cancun. Awesome. So let's well, we won't mess with that because I don't want to break the key, but I'll just mix it up a little bit. I don't know what kind of beach music that is. There we go. There we go. It's a little bit more beachy. All right. Wow. 228161. 161. Who is going to be 161? 161. Getting down there. Whoa! Miss Erica Miller. Wow. All right. 2 ladies I'm very, very good friends with. Congratulations. Awesome people. I couldn't have asked for better people to win this. I'm excited. So just a quick reminder, again, on Monday, you'll see the post. You'll see the video. Get on there, tag 5 people, 5 business owners you know, and enter to win your chance to go to Cancun. A Cancun, 5-day Cancun vacation. Can't wait to have it. Can't wait to give it away to you because it's 10 degrees in Colorado right now.